Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to fix your YouTube watch history is off. So in order to fix this, you want to follow these steps. First of all, make sure that you're connected to your internet service and open the YouTube app on your device. Once you're logged into your YouTube application, click the initials from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. And the next thing what you want to do is here, tap on the three dot icon from the top right hand side corner, go to settings. Alright then, when you go to the settings section, you simply want to scroll down and go to manage all history. As soon as you click on the manage all history button, you could find these options, right? So all you need to do is go to interactions, or you could just go to the history section. So when you go to the history section, then you have these histories, right? So click on the delete button, or you could just go ahead and click that out. Under YouTube history, you could you should see the option to pause or turn on your watch history. So alright, you want to go to the control section. Then under control section, you have these history, right? So currently you could see it is on. You just need to make sure that the YouTube history is on, and this is how you'll be able to fix your watch history. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.